Welcome to my recap with live trades. Except today I don't really have any live trades to show. I've been sick. Had like some sort of bug. I still do. And I did trade the last few days since I posted, but I just haven't they weren't good days and I just was feeling like crap and I still don't, even right now I have headaches. I don't know what it is. I don't know. I don't think it's COVID because I have a taste and smell. But anyways, I'll just give you a quick recap of my days. So this is 9/17. um, hold on, let me just nicotine gum in real quick. So 9/17, I had a losing day. Um, that ended up closing out this VVOS trade. The loss. We'll see right now, but so I make a little on Tesla. I lose a little more on Tesla. Lose a little bit on Tesla. Using that buying power the whole time. Close out VVOS. So I sell VVOS for $35. I opened an Amazon 34.50. I put, so I didn't get squeezed out. So I bought the put right there, and it broke down. And it squeezed. It held that pattern, and then it broke down and it squeezed up. Formed this new pattern. Breaking down, and I get out early. Excuse me. So I get out, $6 win, right? And I knew, I just didn't. This was like, because already down, 60 something bucks now, 70 something or $70 with the commission. So, like here, um, I was down 120 on the position. So, yeah, it wasn't good. So, um, yeah, I couldn't hang. So, anyways, Amazon goes down a lot more, I believe. Yeah. Amazon did what I was thinking. This is an hourly setup, I believe. And we had a nice sell off down there, and it's Tesla. Wait, no, that's Tesla. Okay, so Tesla got that nice 750 dip. That was pretty cool. Yeah, Amazon got down to 34.60s. So anyways, this day was realized 103, 120 basically 119.73. That was 9/17, which was Friday. Okay, last Friday. Now Monday, 9/20. I had a Facebook loser, small, trade. Another Facebook loser. Wait for it. I don't know what happened there. Okay, so that day I lost 68. This is the same day, actually, I think. Yeah. 920. 920. Okay. Then I had. Okay, so I made 40 bucks on the cues. Nothing on the spy. And nothing. So that was basically $32 loss on 20th. Then 21st, I I I started I changed my how my account looks, on the account column. So it looks a lot cooler that way. So it's all about looking cool, guys. So as you can see, my ATVI swing's taking a hit. I make a little bit on Nvidia, lose some on Nvidia, lose 60 bucks. Make 40 bucks on QS. Lose some on Uber. And I lose 117.02 on 21st. Then on the 22nd, the pretty good. 22nd today, yeah. So basically, I didn't have for some reason my charts. Oh, now they're showing up. That's crazy. I was playing it earlier, and this is the 21st, so the 22nd. I'm losing my mind right now. Supposed to have 922. Check this out. The 922 I have. Look at my chart. So once market opens, pre-market it's showing the charts. Ooh. Market opens, nothing on level 2 or charts. For the whole time I recorded this. So you can see my P&L, I made like 60 bucks. Or with commissions, I didn't even show my trades or my orders. I made like 55 bucks after commissions. So nothing, but that's the struggle lately. Nice stinky. Yeah, so I just wanted to update this. I've been feeling like crap, and just wanted to post this video and hold myself accountable and just be transparent. I will be posting video tomorrow. Today, I mean, it's just this is a kind of a wrap up of the last few days I didn't post, but I will be posting tomorrow, assuming the recording goes well and no, I'm not really sick. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you're still watching at this point, you're a trooper, and I appreciate you. And hope you have a great day.